Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for being able to save part of mesh inside the Unity. For example, imagine we have this 3D model and we want to export just this part of this 3D model so we can save it in a different, as a separate mesh. Okay. We will take a look at this package. Faran, whatever, released this package almost 6 years ago, which called Unity Mesh Saver. You just need to download the zip file of this package and import the Mesh Saver into your projects folder. After that, you will see it doesn't have any sample scene or anything. It is just a technique for MeshFilter itself. Look at this, it is a mesh saver and it has just a simple component here. Imagine, let me make a new scene here. This is our 3D model, f4e.obj. Okay, this is an aircraft and it has many objects, children of this main object, and look at this, all of them are here. But we can't duplicate, for example, this canopy. I can't duplicate this guy and make a new one. Look at this, it doesn't allow me. For example, I wanna just use this guy in my game and I don't need the other parts of this 3D model. For doing this, after we add the mesh saver to our project, whenever we right click on MeshFilter, we will have these two options. Save mesh as a new instance. It works for us. So I will click on this mesh I want, and the MeshFilter, I right click and save mesh as a new instance. This is the name, canopy glass front dot asset. Okay, and now I press yes and save. Look at this, I have a new mesh here, but this is that asset. This is exactly that canopy front glass. If I remove this guy and I added this, look at this here, but it doesn't have material. But it makes sense, I can add any material I want. But it's here. Even if I delete the main 3D model, it still exists. This is really useful if you want to make a separate of that part of your 3D model and use it in your project. Okay. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.